encourage our little performers from time to time with your applause. Together, let's enjoy and make this show a grand success. Thank you.
Good morning and welcome. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Welcome, welcome everyone. We are so glad you have come with songs, dance and laughter too. We have so much to show you with hearts full of joy. We welcome you here to celebrate our efforts so dear and sincere. Your smiles are the sunshine that light up our way. Your love is the reason we grow every day. We will dance and we will sing as we have practiced each day to bring you a show in a marvelous way. So sit back and enjoy. Let the magic unfold as we share our talents, both brave and bold. Thank you, dear parents, for all that you do. Annual function is gift from us to you. We are delighted that you are here today. Let's make this a magical day. The world is full of diamonds and gems, and we are having a cluster of them here today. On behalf of Delhi Public School, I extend a heart-pouring welcome to Principal Ma'am, our dear parents and grandparents. Your presence has added glittering vibrancy to our celebration and the much-awaited occasion just made much more. Our school song, Takshila Gan, reminds us of valuable knowledge that resonates deep within our soul. It carries the essence of our identity, values, and community spirit. Its power lies unifying us, preserving our cherished traditions, and instilling pride in every heart it touches. So we present to you the school choir singing Takshila Gan, a tribute to our glorious past and a reflection to our vibrant present. विश्व ग्राम The journey through the 24 and 25 session has been nothing short of extraordinary. It was rich with both academic achievements and co-curricular activities, showcasing our successes, tackling challenges, and fostering a sense of community. Our event calendar buzzed with lively class assemblies and presentations from every grade, where students displayed their talents and shared insights. Through engaging performances that showcased their learning experiences throughout the year, our teachers played a crucial role in guiding us as we became active participants in both academic and co-curricular pursuits. Public speaking classes significantly boosted our confidence and communication skills, empowering us to overcome stage fright and become skilled speakers. The collaborative approach to thematic integrated kept us in front, engaged, shaping us into responsible citizens. Activities such as science experiments, hands-on learning, cooking sessions created a supportive environment to hone our skills. Circle Time Stories and Read program depend on a love for books and ignited our imagination. The theme and project-based activities sparked through thoughtfully designed tasks that enrich the understanding of the world around us. Judo Gang made maths an enjoyable and accessible subject, while Reggio Emilia activities fostered logical reasonings. The learning centers in our classrooms fueled our curiosity and thirst for discovery. Participating in our school's major co-curricular events has been an absolute delight. Events like Bal Sangam and Get Set Go were truly unforgettable, and celebrating these different occasions within our school community has been a vibrant, beautiful experience which we will cherish always. Books are like magical treasure chests, brimming with enchanting stories and thrilling adventures. Embracing the habit of reading unlocks a gateway to the world of imagination and discovery. Today's play is a theatrical presentation of the 4 stories from our Read program. I am already excited to share with you that today's narrator is a crocodile. Crocodile? Yes, crocodile. You heard it right. The famous smile by Geeta Garma Ranjan is about the crocodile Agar Magar, who goes places, flaunting his sparkling shiny teeth and his smile. So invite all of you to be a part in making his smile more famous by taking the tune of the mighty river, the deep forest and the big town. Samina Mishra's Shabhana and the baby goat shows the talent of Shabhana as she finds a productive way of using Kajari, the goat's chewing skills. It is so much fun reading Kajari's mischiefs that I am certain everyone will have a hearty laugh with watching it. Next comes a beautiful story, Dugga by Rajiv E. It shows how life turns upside down without giving any warning and throws Dugga in a bewildered world of suffering. But with the help of empathy and care, Dugga finally finds her way back home.
Thukpa for All is another story in which a delicious noodle soup is made by Tracy's grandmother. It is a delightful family story written by Prabha Ram and Sheila Prayog. But it took too long to prepare the soup, so I wonder how the family will be able to relish it.
Preserving the festive mood all around the campus. It's time to have some real fun together. To cherish the chunks of joy, we request you to switch off your mobile phones or keep them on silent mode and dive into the Merry Feast with us, as pictures and videos will be available on school's website. Lo and behold, let the play unfold. हम रहते हैं हरे भरे कुदरत के आंगन में, Some are long and some are small. Some are slim while others are tall. Some are long and some are small. Some are slim while others are tall. We are bright and shiny, black, blue and gold. Sparkling like treasures, a sight to behold. Colorful skins like a butterfly fly. Gliding through the water, what a lovely sight. Gliding through the water, what a lovely sight. Gliding through the water, what a lovely sight. Today my teeth are shining a lot. I will show them to the fish. Fish, look at my teeth. Ah! Oh, Matsya Devi, what long teeth he has. It seems as if sharp knives are shining in a row. Before we go between the teeth, let's go from here. In a swan, a frog, neck, agar magar rings white. With pearly white teeth, he beats with pride. Yes, when around he goes with a friend, but those ugly looks say, beware, beware. Now tell me, fish, how are my teeth looking? What is this the fish have got? They must be envy of my shiny, beautiful teeth. Doesn't matter. The zebras are walking there. I will go to them. The grass is so green. It must be good to eat. Exactly. The grass on the back of this river is very tasty and nutritious. Absolutely. Rich in proteins, minerals, and fiber. So let's try. Grace, grace, grace. 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 Brothers, it's a beautiful day. Can you find something great in me? Look at my teeth. Oh, Pashupatinath. Its teeth are as sharp as grass. Grass? Before your seed enter the stomach, let's run away. In the हमें बंदर अच्छे बंदर, हमें बंदर अच्छे बंदर, हमें बंदर अच्छे बंदर, हमें बंदर अच्छे बंदर। हमसे मिलना हो तो आओ इस जंगल के अंदर, हमसे मिलना हो तो आओ इस जंगल के अंदर, हमें बंदर अच्छे बंदर, हमें बंदर अच्छे बंदर। मानव नर है अपना नर है, अपना रिश्ता अजर अमर है। हम कबीर की संतानें हैं, जिनका गौरव जग जाने हैं। एक बार में पार कर गए जो ये बड़ा समंदर, एक बार में पार कर गए जो ये बड़ा समंदर, हमें बंदर अच्छे बंदर, हमें बंदर अच्छे बंदर, हमें बंदर अच्छे बंदर, हमें बंदर अच्छे बंदर। Monkey Brothers, look at my teeth. Oh, Bajrangbali, those teeth are sharper than a lion's roar. Oh, looks like a giant saw. Are you planning to chop down trees from those? Run away before getting cut by the saw. Run, run, bhago, bhago, bachao, bachao. Run, run, bhago, bhago, bachao. Leave monkeys also left. I will go ahead and see. How are you, Tigu? You are unable to walk. Seems like you have eaten too much today. Hiss! You are right, Obra. I don't feel like walking. I feel like sleeping over here. Who is coming? It's good that I met you both. Tell me, how are my teeth? Oh, Sheshnag, its mouth is very big. I will run away, Tigu. Hiss! You have beautiful yellow teeth, brother. One sunny day, a butterfly said, "Smiley a clock, you will get ahead. You will get ahead. You will get ahead." Now I thought hard, gave it a try. Then all of the critters let out a cry. Let out a cry. Let out a cry. Now that's again so bright and white, 2D but friendly. Come join the ride. Come join the ride. Come join the ride. Now in a swamp with charm on display, Agar sings, "I am the friendliest crop. Wait, now you come smiling. Thank you. May I ask you a question? Ask, why not? How are my teeth? Your teeth are the whitest, brightest and most beautiful in the whole world. I was wandering around the whole day in search of such teeth. I was also wandering around the whole day to hear the same. But what will you do with my photographs? I will use them in the toothpaste advertisement. Here is a medal for you. Toothpaste medal? Thank you. My photographs will appear in the toothpaste advertisement. I had never thought of this. This will be the best toothpaste advertisement of this year, and you will be the best model. Come with me.
Yes. He
with him all over the world. Even the lions are jealous. He has worked in so many advertisements and films. Last week I saw him selling toothpaste. Now that's a crocodile with a bite, and his articles are being published everywhere, newspapers and magazines. There was even a special on how to stay fresh with Agar Magar. Don't forget the comments. I have got all of them. The adventures of Agar Magar, Toothpaste Crusader.
And he was invited to Cartoon Network. I saw him chilling with Tom and Jerry.
We congratulate Agar Magar. Thank you, my fellow jungle dwellers. It's been an honor to represent our wild and wonderful home. We request him to tell us about the city, please. What was it like? Oh, the city. Quite the place. I went to so many places and I met so many people. One of them was a very interesting woman named Shabana. Shabana? And what's so special about Shabana? Well, Shabana loves the lamp more than anything in the world. Everywhere she goes, the lamp follows. It's almost like they're glued together. Oh, tell a story. We love stories. Why not? Gather round, everyone. Let's sit by the riverbank and I'll tell you the tale of Shabana and her beloved lamp. It's a story of loyalty, laughter, and a little bit of Yay! Story time with Agar Magar. They all rush towards the riverbank, settling down as Agar Magar takes his place, ready to entertain them with another famous story. At the sound of the jungle animals' fade, all eagerly listening to Agar's tale. The animals eagerly wait for more stories from the legendary Agar Magar as they bask in his fame and her shining white teeth.
शबाना ने उस बच्चे का नाम रखा कजरी।
कजरी?
नाम सुनते ही ऐसा लगा जैसे फिल्मों के हीरोइन का नाम हो।
अब तो शबाना दिन रात उसी कजरी के साथ रहती थी। जा शबाना वहाँ कजरी, जा कजरी वहाँ शबाना। जब
शबाना इमाम साहब को खीर देने जाती है। कजरी उसके साथ चल पड़ती है जैसे इमाम साहब का टेस्टर हो। टेस्टर? हाँ। और जब शबाना आंगन बुहारने में अम्मा की मदद करती है तब भी कजरी वहाँ ही रहती है जैसे कि उसके बगैर तो कुछ काम ही ना होगा। जब शबाना झूला झूलने जाती है कजरी वहाँ खड़ी जैसे उसका बॉडीगार्ड हो। बॉडीगार्ड? हाँ। गाँव भर को पता है ये दोनों पक्की सहेलियां हैं। इंसान और बकरी की ऐसी दोस्ती कभी देखी है? कजरी अब बड़ी हो गई है, अब उसे माँ का दूध काफी नहीं है, अब उसे ठोस खाना चाहिए। और ये जिम्मेदारी किसको दी गई है? शबाना को। अब देखो क्या तमाशा होता है। Here's Daddy holding a basket of spinach. She carefully places the spinach on the table, inspecting it with pride. आज लहसुन और मिर्च के साथ पालक पकाऊंगी। वाह, प्रिंसिपल मैम आपको पालक पसंद है। मैं बहुत अच्छी पालक बनाती हूँ और आप लोगों को भी पसंद है। अरे नहीं, शबाना ने अभी तक दूध नहीं पिया। शबाना, शबाना, आई दादी, जल्दी से दूध पियो। मैं रसोई घर से आती हूँ, पालक पका रही हूँ। ठीक है दादी।
Daddy exits to the kitchen. Shabana sits down and begins drinking her milk. Kajri, noticing the fresh spinach on the table, happily starts munching on the leaves.
अरे नहीं कजरी, ये क्या कर दिया तुमने? छोड़ो इसे, छोड़ो। कजरी, ये क्या कर दिया तुमने? छोड़ो इसे, छोड़ो। कजरी, stop munching, कजरी, stop munching। क्या हुआ? क्या हो रहा है यहाँ? अरे बाप रे, ये क्या किया शबाना? कजरी ने तो पालक के पत्ते ही खा लिए। अम्मा, बस थोड़े से ही पालक के पत्ते खाए हैं कजरी ने। आप तो बाकी की सब्जी आराम से बना सकती हो। बिल्कुल नहीं, अब इसे बाहर ले जाओ और बाकी के पालक के पत्ते कजरी को ही खिलाओ। मुझे पालक की सब्जी नहीं चाहिए, आज कजरी का ही पेट भरेगा। ठीक है अम्मा, ठीक है, पालक का झंझट छोड़ो, मैं दाल चावल ही बना लेती हूँ। चलिए अम्मा, किचन का मोर्चा संभालते हैं। चलो चलते हैं, आज दाल चावल ही खा लेते हैं। तुम्हारे वजह से मुझे पालक से छुट्टी मिल गई। वाह, क्या दोस्त हो तुम, मेरी प्यारी नटखट कजरी। Kajri, very good. Always on the go. Munching on belly and straight in a row. Shoes on toes and even a book. Shabana just laughs. What a funny look! What a funny look! She munches the rope and chomps on the shoe. Stop, Kajri, stop! But what can she do? Stop, Kajri, stop! But what can she do? From ready to stop, she munches and leaves. Kajri, the baby got as grateful as can be. Kajri, the baby got as grateful as can be. तुम्हें पता है, उस रात खाने में सिर्फ दाल और चावल ही खाने पड़े, लेकिन ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत थी। हाँ, ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत थी। अब रोज कुछ ना कुछ होने लगा। जहाँ जहाँ शबाना जाती, वहाँ वहाँ कजरी भी जाती और अपने साथ सबके लिए अवलग। अब देखिए क्या होता है आगे।
Do you know what happened the other day? Shabana visited Fufu's house, or ran home to practice reciting the Quran. As Fufu recitation sessions. As Shabana started her recitation, little Kajri was up to her usual playful mischief.
कपड़ा खाने में बहुत मजा आ रहा है। कजरी, तुम कुछ कह रहे हो क्या? पर मैंने तो सुना, क्या आपने भी सुना? The entire village was upset because of Shabana and Kadri's playful mistakes. They assembled and came to complain Shabana's parents. अली एंड आमना, आमना बहन, अली भाईजान, आमना बहन, अली भाईजान, आमना बहन। क्या हुआ भाईजान, क्या हुआ आपा? आप सब लोग एक साथ क्यों आए हैं? आप लोग किसी मेले में जा रहे हो क्या? नहीं आमना बहन, नहीं अली भाईजान, हम सब तुम्हारे पास आए हैं। हाँ, तुम्हारे नहीं, खैरियत तो नहीं है। खैरियत तो बिल्कुल नहीं है। हम हैरान हैं, हम परेशान हैं। इस शबाना और कजरी से हम परेशान हैं। सोच सोच के अनजान हैं। क्या हुआ? क्यों हैरान है? क्यों परेशान है? और क्या सोचकर अनजान है? बताइए आपा, क्या बात है? कल सुबह शबाना कुएं पर आई और साथ में कजरी को भी ले आई। आपा बाल्टी से पानी निकाल ही रही थी कि कजरी ने रस्सी चबा डाली। रस्सी चबा डाली? तुम्हें मालूम है, कजरी ने रस्सी चबा डाली और बाल्टी नीचे कुएं में गिर गई। मास्टर जी, आप भी बताइए क्या हुआ आपके साथ? हाँ, बताता हूँ। हाँ, आपके बाल्टी तो अगले दिन निकाली गई थी, पर कल जब मैं विद्यालय में पढ़ा रहा था तो कजरी ने मेरी किताब के पन्ने ही खा लिए। किताब के पन्ने खा लिए? ये तो बहुत बुरी बात है। हम आपसे माफी चाहते हैं। माफी मत मांगिए भाईजान, आप कुछ कीजिए। हाँ, मैं अभी कुछ करता हूँ। आमना, कहाँ है शबाना? बुलाइए उसे। हाँ, मैं शबाना को बुलाती हूँ। शबाना, शबाना, कहाँ गई ये लड़की? शबाना, आप लोग रुकिए, मैं अभी शबाना को देख कर आता हूँ। ये लोग तो मेरी बच्ची शबाना के पीछे ही बढ़ गए हैं।
आज हम इस समस्या को निकाल के ही जाएंगे।
हाँ, इस समस्या का हल निकाल के ही जाएंगे। क्या हुआ अब्बा? क्या हुआ अम्मी? कुछ बात है क्या? क्या कजरी ने रस्सियों के साथ चबा डाली है? वो छोटी है, उसे समझ नहीं आता कि क्या खाना चाहिए और क्या नहीं। इस बात को शबाना तुम क्यों नहीं समझती हो? लेकिन इससे लोगों को परेशानी होती है। क्या किसी को परेशान करना अच्छी बात होती है? नहीं अब्बा। तो अब से कजरी तुम्हारे साथ बाहर नहीं जाएगी।
कुछ नहीं करेगी।
नहीं नहीं, बहुत हो गया। जाओ कजरी को बाड़ी में छोड़ कर आओ।
ठीक है अब्बा। चलो कजरी, सब नाराज हो रहे हैं हमसे। हाँ 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 हाँ। इस समस्या का हल निकल गया। अब हम चलते हैं। अभी नहीं, अभी आप लोग का तख्त तशरीफ रखिए। मैं चाय बनाती हूँ, पी कर जाइए।
cutting the grass near Mandir, and when she returned home, she saw him still trimming the grass.
ये क्या काका, जब मैं सवेरे पाठशाला जा रही थी तो वे घास ही काट रहे थे। अब मैं वापस घर जा रही हूँ तो वे काम ही कर रहे हैं।
क्या करूं बेटी, मुझे मंदिर के आगे सारी घास काटनी है और वो घास फिर उग जाती है।
अगर आपको ये घास नहीं चाहिए तो मैं आपकी मदद कर सकती हूँ। मैं अभी आती हूँ।
शबाना मेरी क्या मदद करेगी? वही लाती और भर पेट घास खिलाती। उसके बाद वे दोनों नाचते गाते तालाब के पास जाते थे। वहाँ भैंसें नहाती थी और तोते गाते थे। फिर वो दोनों उनके साथ सूरज को डूबते हुए देखते थे। साथ ही नीचे के गिरे हुए जामुन भी खाते थे। अब उन दोनों से किसी को शिकायत नहीं थी। अब वो दोनों साथ रह सकते थे हमेशा के लिए। Do humans love us animals? Absolutely. They consider us their friends and take care of us. That is really good. Do they keep us locked in houses? Birds are kept in cages. Cows and buffaloes are tied with ropes so that they do not wander here and there. But I have seen animals on the road too. Yes, there are some that live outside, but people get their food too. Do they help us when we are sick? Absolutely. Durga story is something like this only. Durga? Who is he? Oh, Durga. What a funny name. Durga belongs to that breed of dogs that started living with humans. That started living with humans? Did Durga fall sick? Did humans help him? Exactly. Then tell us the story, brother. I'll tell you. First, let me brush my shiny teeth. Let's go.
Today's special, last night's leftovers. Yum. Oh, come on, my friend. We'll go later. First, we need to head to the tracks or else the train will leave us. Food or train? Obviously, train. I love watching running trains. Me too. Let's run. Yay! We made it! I can hear the train. Okay, really? I can see it. There it is. Looking all shiny and loud. Let's run. So this is how our friends live in their city. Running after trains and garbage. Yes, that's city life for you. No hunting, no chasing drinks, they have got some. Of course, there aren't animals in the city like in the jungle. Eating garbage and trains sounds fun though. But didn't you say Duka was sick? Not sick, injured. Big difference, you see. Injured? Oh no, was he attacked by a tiger, a leopard, or a giant chicken? No, he got hit by a train. While playing, he ran into the tracks. A train? Is it as dangerous as a lion? A moving train is stronger than an elephant. Believe me, Dukkha never saw it coming. Then what happened? Did anyone come to help Dukkha, or did he just lay like a lazy lion after lunch? Oh, they helped him. So kind of them. Humans came rushing like a rescue squad. Is it? Oh no! Look at poor Dukkha. He was hit by a train. Such bad luck for our friend. He has suffered so many injuries. The poor thing. We should take him to the vet quickly. Yes, come on. Let's take him now. Yes. Let's take him now. Dukkha's condition is very serious. Is it, doctor? Yes. One of his legs isn't working anymore. He has hurt his stomach too. Maybe too many belly rubs. Does that mean Dukkha won't recover? Not even with extra treats? He will recover, but it will take time. Until then, we have to take care of him. You treat him, doctor. I will be his personal bodyguard. But the treatments and medicines will cost money. Don't worry, doctor. We will raise the money. Yes. Let's ask everyone to pitch in for our favorite train chasing dog. You just make sure he's good as new, Dr. Sahab. Come along, everyone. Dukkha will recover soon.
3 legs, 9 lizards, 2 cats, and 2 humans. Quite the family.
And does he still get to see the train every day?
Of course, he goes there daily, barking happily like before. So humans really do love us? Absolutely. They help each other too, always sharing joys and sorrows. Wow, humans aren't so bad after all. Hey, tell us another story.
Yes, tell us another story.
Okay, but first tell me, what's the name of the country we live in? India. And what's at the top of the map of India? A really big head.
No, Jammu and Kashmir, right?
Close, but not quite. It's Ladakh at the top and have a great spray from there. Let's hear it while we grab some water. They look so happy, as if they are carrying all our prayers to the mountain. Julie, my friend, where are you off to in such a hurry? I barely caught up with you. Julie Ritsit, I'm heading home. Today Abhi is making thukka, and you know Abhi's thukka is best in whole town. No one else can make it like her. Absolutely right, Sharon. I think I can still taste the last bowl I had at
I'll definitely come.
Great, then I'll see you there. I want to help Abhinav.
Did you run away from Tashi Uncle's farm? You like adventuring more than staying in the bed.
You who always finds this little like a setting. I should hire you like my life detective.
Well, Molu seems to enjoy running into me. Maybe he knows I'll bring him back safely. By the way, Tashi Uncle, it's been a while since you have visited us. Today, Abhi is making thuppa. Would you like to come over?
You know, I was just thinking it's been too long and Abhi's Tukka is famous for a reason. Tell her I'll be happy to come tonight.
I'll let her know. See you in the evening, Tashi Uncle.
We'll need to dig just a bit more to reach the water. Here it is.
Auntie, how are you? I see you busy collecting water.
Touristing! Yes, we still have to dig to the snow for everything. How are you today? You seem to be in quite a rush.
I am doing well, Auntie, but I am a bit of a hurry because Abhi is making thupka today. She will be so happy if you join us. You know, she always makes extra when we have guests.
Thuppa, you say? How can I refuse that? I'll definitely come, Seren. But first, I need to take this water home. I'll join you after that.
That sounds good, Auntie. Abhi will be thrilled to see you. Almost there. The house is near. Dorbu uncle, you don't sound well. That girl doesn't seem to want to leave you. I am sure Abhi's thuppa will help you feel better. Come to our house this evening and have some. Oh, Zering, you might be right. Abhi's thuppa can heal just about anything. I will come by after I finish up some work. Thank you for the invitation. Mommy, I am back. Where are you? Selling, you are back. Did you invite anyone on your way home? Yes, on the way. I met Rigzin, Tashi uncle and Nima auntie. I also met Norbu uncle. Norbu uncle was coughing, so I invited him as well. I think your thuppa will help him feel better. Oh, you have invited the whole village? Haven't you, my child? We will need to make plenty of thupka tonight. I will be needing more water, more vegetables and definitely more noodles. Don't worry, Abhi. I will go to the garden and pick some fresh peas. That will make enough for everyone. That's a good get everything else ready. We are gonna have full house tonight. Happy junkie toppa, yummy spicy toppa, hot hot toppa. Happy junkie toppa, yummy spicy toppa. Sering, where are you, brother? The toppa can't start without me. Aha! Rinzai, you have arrived. Come in before the cold gets to you.
Chule Abhi, yes, I have come. And my Amma Le has sent some water and cheese for you as well.
How kind of her. Thank you, Rizwan. You are always so thoughtful. Come inside. It's cold out here. Let's warm up before the others arrive. How's your Amma, Rizwan? Is she keeping warm in this weather?
She is doing well, Abhi. She spends most of her time knitting scarves for everybody in the neighborhood. It seems like nobody will go without a warm scarf this winter.
Ha ha ha. She always has a jealous eye. Let's make sure both of you leave with a full belly tonight. You have a very bad cough, Norbu. I will be fine, Abhi. What have you brought, Norbu? I have brought some spinach for Thuppa. Very nice. Come keep it inside. Where is Sering, Abhi? Sering. He has gone to get some peas from the garden. Looks like someone is coming. It must be Sering. Oh, that is Nimantashi. Julie, Abhi, how are you? I am fine, Nima. We have got apricot jam and minute flour for noodles. Amazing. Thank you, Nimantashi. So why don't we start making tuppa now? Let Sering come first. Yummy spicy tuppa, hot hot tuppa. Happy chunky tuppa, yummy spicy tuppa. Here it is. I did it up, pizza bee. Enough Sering, let's make tuppa now. Of course, we will all help you. Let's go to the kitchen. Hot tuppa, happy chunky tuppa, yummy spicy tuppa. Why don't we share the work? I will make the noodles. I will wash and chop the spinach leaves. I will chop the mushrooms and the carrots into small pieces. Okay then. I will chop ginger and garlic. Okay then. I will shell the peas. Okay then. I will heat the oil and chop the onions and tomatoes. Oh, power cut! What is this? The power went out. Today late before time. The moonlight is also very dim. How will we work in the darkness? You are right. How will Tupka be made without help? The darkness does not matter to me, Abhi. I will help you. It's okay, Sering. In the dark, how will Abhi make Wow! What an aroma! Looks like the thupka is ready. I am getting hungry. The electricity has also resumed just on time. Here's hot thupka. These noodles are looking awkward. These uniquely shaped noodles are my creation. I somehow managed to make them indeed out. The rest of the noodles were made by Seren. Well done, Seren. You have made perfect looking noodles, all exactly the same. Thank you, Rigzin. But whatever the noodles are, Abhi's Zupka is the best. Absolutely! Yummy spicy thupka, hot hot thupka. Aunty Chucky thupka, yummy spicy thupka.
After eating their fill of the fur, everyone returned to their homes and sharing and to sleep. Here is Abhi. It is about midnight now. We should all go to sleep. You are right. It will dark soon.
I have to sleep early today. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to my aunt's house in another forest. I also have to get up early to make my new nest.
Then okay. Goodbye, Agar Magar.
You will also tell us stories tomorrow too, right, Agar Magar?
Of course. But you'll have to promise me something.
Promise? What is that?
From tomorrow onwards, you will all brush your teeth.
Okay, Agar Magar. We promise that we will keep our teeth clean.
Then come on, come and brush your teeth before sleeping.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Morning light and evening peace. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Morning light and evening peace. With a smile, make them bright. With a smile, make them bright. Wish us all, keep them bright. Wish us all, keep them bright. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Morning light and evening peace. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Morning light and evening peace. Stop, stop, stop! I can see something shining out there. Where? Where? What? There. I saw a set of
remarkable annual function, it is my honor to invite someone who has been the cornerstone of our success. Please join me in welcoming our esteemed Principal Ma'am on the stage. We look forward to hear her reflections and thoughts on today's event.
Thank you, Ida. Good morning, dear parents and dearest grandparents, for being here today morning. What a beautiful show. I mean, I'm amazed by the performance of these class 2 children, how they have been able to do this in last 1.5 hours. It's not an easy task to get 320 of them here on stage, to make them perform just like professionals. They have been amazing. And credit for that does not go to me. That goes to the team of class teachers of class 2 and the junior wing coordinator, Mrs. Bhavna Bajaj, because they are the ones who are working very hard. And to the beautiful choir group who's standing here in front of me, singing those melodious songs, I would like to acknowledge them. Continue to please shower your blessings on them. Akshaj Mishra, Hazel, Ira, Risha, Navya, Anvi, Ekag, Prisha, Kabir, Reva, Ishna, Pranshu, Pavika, Kisha, Kiara, Ritashmi, Smira, Ishin, Tiana, Naisha, Arya, Shrishti, Smitakshi, Rammi, Rashi, Prisha, Shubhankar, Swaraj, Bhavya, Sia, Dhani, Riyanshi, Rajvi and Biha. Thank you children, thank you very much. I must congratulate our performing art department for being involved over the last days and prepare the Center of Science and Environment and also the Good Food Award. And for that I thank you because you've been sincerely following the menu, where the millets are also included, and I am sure as part of your family meal, those millets have got a place on your dining table. So we'll continue to work towards that. The next year theme is going to be zero waste. Thank you for being here, encouraging them. Your presence today means a lot, not just to them, but for each one of us here. Thank you children, thank you everyone. May I now request you to please rise for national anthem.